Yes, you're right. Today is Ellie's birthday, and she's having a party later. It's very exciting, but Pocoyo, have you got Ellie a birthday present yet?
No.
Well, what are you going to get?
Me.
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a tornado warning for Dixie County in Florida until 7:30 a.m. At 6:41 a.m., a developing tornado has been detected by the National Weather Service 28 miles southwest of Cross City, or 12 miles southwest of Horseshoe Beach, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Shired Island, Suwannee, Shamrock, Yellow Jacket, Cross City Airport, Eugene, Old Town and Fletcher. Take cover now. Leave mobile homes and vehicles for safer structures. Move to a hallway or closet on the lowest floor away from windows and outside walls. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Florida: Dixie,